If you know anything about dentures, you know that they can become loose, they can be difficult to clean, and they can be a big hassle to deal with. And that's why Dr. Jerry Kaiser with Total Freedom Dental Implant Center is here to discuss some other options besides traditional dentures. We welcome you back to the show, Dr. Kaiser. It's good to see you.
Nice to be here, Stephanie.
Well, the last time that you were here with Dr. Sims, we talked about Total Freedom offering a full spectrum of dental services. But today, let's talk about tooth loss in particular and some of the treatment options that you can offer patients.
Right. Well, when we speak about edentulous in dentistry, we're talking about people who are completely missing their teeth. And the complete denture has been the traditional treatment for patients with no teeth. That was the only treatment available for your grandparents and your parents. And it's been the profound disappointment of patients with these complete dentures that led to the development of dental implants. In fact, the only reason dental implants were developed was to deal with the problems of complete dentures.
So how are implants used to treat the problems that are associated with losing teeth, and then at the same time, how can you avoid the complications that you hear about so often from anybody that you know that might have dentures?
Well, the Total Freedom approach is to use an entry-level means of treating the problem of edentulism, and also at the same time provide a state-of-the-art treatment. The entry level is what we term a 2-implant supported overdenture, which is a complete denture that fits over the top of dental implants. It snaps onto the implants, and that eliminates or at least mitigates the two major disadvantages of a denture, which is the tendency for the denture to become dislodged during eating or during speech. And then we also can upgrade that to the fixed hybrid prosthesis, or teeth in a day, which is the state-of-the-art treatment. Now, we understand at Total Freedom that many patients cannot afford state-of-the-art treatment, or perhaps don't want to get involved in that right at the beginning. And that's why we offer an entry-level prosthesis to address the problem of edentulism.
Well, let's talk about mini implants, because so many of us have heard a lot about them. Can they be used for these types of cases?
Yes, they can. They're new for that purpose. They were originally developed as temporary implants, so we don't really know how long they're going to last. Total Freedom, we really don't advocate mini implants for the following reasons. First of all, there's really no difference in the cost. Second of all, the fit, function, and comfort is exactly the same in both. And there's no real difference in the procedure to place the implants. And the real disadvantage is that you can't upgrade the mini implants. If you want to upgrade to a fixed supported prosthesis, you have to start all over from the beginning, which is a complete waste of time and money. Whereas with the 2-implant supported overdenture system, we can simply add a couple more implants and convert the overdenture to the interim fixed hybrid prosthesis.
So you talk about this hybrid process. Can you tell me a little bit more about how Total Freedom approaches that hybrid?
Well, the hybrid is a wonderful appliance. It's completely implant supported, so it's rock solid. Also, because it's supported by implants, it doesn't rest on the gum tissue, so it's much more comfortable. Also, it's a smaller device, so it's not as intrusive on speech and on taste. And one other real advantage is anybody who's worn dentures understands that the most annoying problem is the tendency for food to get caught underneath it. So if people are out at dinner, they have to excuse themselves, go to the restroom, remove the denture, and clean it. Well, that's not a problem with the fixed prosthesis. If you do catch food, it's easily dislodged by just simply rinsing. One other feature that I think is important, because I've experienced this, is when we have to take care of our parents who are aging, becoming forgetful, maybe going to care centers or frequent hospital stays or having in-home help, you have to realize that anytime they can remove an appliance and another individual has access, there's a real problem with loss. And that just doesn't occur with the fixed prosthesis. We never have to worry about our parents being embarrassed because they've lost their teeth.
Well, it sounds like we have a lot of options, and I'm glad that we have experts like you with 30-plus years of experience that can help us through this process. Total Freedom Dental Implant Center can be reached at 480-860-9002, and you can check them out at totalfreedomdentalimplants.com. They're also on Facebook as well. You can find them there at facebook.com/total.